Ready to ditch cable and stream all your favorite football games but can't decide between Hulu Live TV and YouTube TV? We are breaking down everything you need to know to make the ultimate call. First, let's talk channel lineups. Both offer major networks like ESPN, Fox, CBS, and NBC. Crucial for catching NFL and college games, but Hulu Live TV offers regional sports networks in select areas, while YouTube TV has a slightly wider national channel selection, so check what's available in your area because local channels can vary. Next up, the dollars and cents. Hulu Live TV starts cheaper, but that base plan is ad-supported. To ditch the commercials, you'll need the ad-free option, bringing it closer to YouTube TV's price point. YouTube TV also offers a more generous cloud DVR. Let's get into features. YouTube TV boasts unlimited DVR storage, plus their multi-view function lets you watch up to 4 games simultaneously. Hulu Live TV includes on-demand content, a vast library of shows and movies in addition to live TV, making it a more comprehensive entertainment hub. User experience is subjective, but Hulu Live TV's interface is well organized, easy to navigate, and highlights live sports effectively. YouTube TV is clean and modern, with a focus on personalization and finding content. Quickly try free trials of both to see which feels best for you. So, who wins? If you value on-demand content and potentially cheaper plans with ads, Hulu Live TV is a solid choice. If unlimited DVR, multi-view, and a streamlined sports-focused experience are your priorities, YouTube TV might be your MVP. Whichever service you choose, you'll be enjoying live football without the cable box. Subscribe for more streaming tips and tricks.